Today we are going to learn about how to take the input within the FH programming language. So for it, first of all, you have to write a simple program which just consists of about 3 lines. So in first line we need to declare a variable. So here we will write let a. As we know that the let keyword is used for variable declaration. Now a is our variable. You can write any other name if you want, like B or C. So here it is C, which is our variable. After it we will write system.console.read line. So this is our function. Read line is our function which belongs to console and system classes. And what it will do, this function read line will take the input, will read the string input and then pass it to the variable C. Passing simply means that it will store the result inside this variable C. Then how we can see that either our input is taken or not? We will write printfn %s and C. Here printf or print function used to print the results or the data inside the variable C, and %s is the data type of this variable, which is string, means that string type of data is stored inside this variable C. And after this is done, we need to write system.console.read key and ignore. Okay, so this line is used for to hold the console output window. So now run it out. Now we need to write abacus and we will enter it, and now you can see that the system has given us the output which is because the abacus which we have entered is stored inside the variable C, and then it is being printed out by the printfn function. So in this way we can take input within the FH programming language. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.